Hi, I'm meteorologist Brittany Ward with your latest forecast.
Rise and grind DMV, it's Thursday, and boy, is it starting off on the quiet note, but we are tracking some showers this afternoon. Taking a look first at the severe outlook. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. The update is that they upgraded us to a moderate risk. This is a Rios in this area. There is a skydive in place, so lots of people out enjoying. Definitely want to make sure that you are taking cover if you hear thunder. So back to the storm track, but once that tornado warning is issued, you do not have time to make your plan, and it's time for you to take shelter immediately. So in the district, going to be holding on to mostly cloudy skies out there, and then we're also seeing some patchy fog that is slowly beginning to dissipate.
I'm in the water. It's too hot. It's too hot to be anywhere else but in the water. You can look around and see all of these people are enjoying it.
Potomac Park Estates, Sugar Land, you're again seeing those reds and those pink. This is the latest scan from radar. This is showing some heavy downpours in this area. Lots of people heading home from work. All right, DMV, it is time for you guys to get in formation because the countdown for Queen Bee, it is on.
Hey.
Let's check on it, meaning the forecast.
Closure, Joe, this is my first time riding a road bike. So this is all for you, Joe. I told you, I actually know.
What do you do when you actually get into that safe space? So check this out. This is my buddy Bob here. You can see he's crouched down, protecting his head.
The blizzard of 2010 is still fresh in people's minds more than a decade later, after a blizzard dumped more than a foot of snow across the entire DMV, leaving people like Stacy Reed from Montgomery County trapped in her house for days.
Turn things over to Brittany, who's in the Weather Center this morning. And fortunately, Brittany, the forecast today is going to be pretty good.
Absolutely. It's going to be very quiet and beautiful as we head through your day today. Your time now 8:43, and all of the severe weather finally out of our area. Now the National Weather Service is starting to funnel in the reports that we saw from yesterday's damage. So that was in Washington County, and most of our hail reports that the National Weather Service has been spitting out this morning came from Washington County. They saw some really strong storms up there, especially in Clear Springs, Maryland. They reported hail up to about 4 inches in diameter. That indicates a very strong updraft. Then we head over there to Smithsburg, Maryland, also in Washington County. They saw 2 inches in diameter hail. Williamsport as well, and then Hagerstown came in at 1 inch. So again, we saw that very, very strong updraft there in the northern counties. When we talk about those wind reports, still pretty gusty as we head through the DMV. Quantico, Virginia coming in at 56 miles per hour wind gusts yesterday. Petersburg, West Virginia, 61 miles per hour. Reagan National Airport recorded winds up to about 52 miles per hour, and then back into Washington County, Thurmont, Maryland, they saw winds up to about 63 miles per hour. But overall, a big, big difference than what we saw yesterday. Here's a live look looking over DC. We are waking up to a few clouds here and there, but overall going to be a dry and breezy day. It's not until this afternoon is when we start to see the sun return to the area. We'll be quiet as high pressure sits over us through your Wednesday, and then it looks like the next chance for us to see storms roll their way through the DMV will be heading into the end of the work week. So highs today on the warmer side, 86 expected to be the high here in the nation's capital, 84 as you head over there to Hagerstown, 86 there in Cumberland. Overall, a mixture of sun and clouds today. That will be the trend, and it will also be breezy as our winds are shifting out of the west. That's going to usher in some of the drier air that we're going to be seeing through your Tuesday. As we head into your evening tonight, we could see a few clouds here and there, but overall clear skies will be the trend heading into your Tuesday evening. So let's talk about those dew point temperatures. Right now, stepping out the door, feeling a bit tropical as you head further off to the south. But notice as we head into that 8 to 9 o'clock hour, we're seeing drier conditions further off to your west. And then by tonight, everyone is dipping down into the 50s. Very comfortable when you are stepping out the door for those dew point temperatures. Not going to feel oppressive at all. It's not until until Thursday. That's when we start to see those dew points ramp back up again into the 60s, giving us that tropical feeling. And Thursday is when we are expecting storms to return to the area. Shanika?
All right, we're